Quick look at what an electrician earns in Somalia. The average electrician income in Somalia is around $1,080 a year. That is before tax, but after tax, your take-home pay drops to $970, which leaves you with roughly $81 each month. You will earn a bit more if you work in a big city. And as an example, an electrician in Mogadishu brings home $1,150 after tax. Even though electrician wages outside the capital are usually lower, the cheaper cost of living helps balance things out. Starting pay sits well below the country average, but your electrician salary in Somalia goes up fast as you learn the trade. However, your earnings can plateau unless you take on supervisory duties. Having a university degree is not usually required for basic work, but getting higher education helps you advance into better roles. This extra training makes it easier to move into positions like master electrician or project manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps you earn even more, which is why specialized workers get the highest average electrician pay. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Somalia over a full career, expanding your skills is key. That is the realistic picture of electrician pay in Somalia today.